Welcome, today we're going to show you how to delete multiple contacts on iPhone 17 Pro Max on iOS 26. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the contacts app as seen here. After that, you will have the first option and the normal option, which is to choose a normal contact. After that, you can just click on edit, and now from here you can just delete this contact by clicking on delete contact on the last option as seen here. But what we are going to show you today is how to delete multiple contacts, which is actually very easy. So if you have multiple contacts like this, all you need to do is to just hold down with two fingers on the first contact, and then you need to just keep scrolling down and choose all the contacts that you want to delete. So after that, this is how it will look like. Now you are choosing multiple contacts and it's selected. All you need to do is to just click on that contact as see from here on any contact on the screen that are selected. After that, this menu will appear to you. You need to click on delete contacts. And now all the selected contacts will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.